Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Taki Mady, you can call me Kim, and this is gonna be a short video to show you what I just received. My little Amazon box. Before I go any further, this is unfortunately a box already open. I shot this video once before and I went outside and it was quite windy, so I decided to take my video inside. Let's not let it go. Alright, now let's revisit this again. So in the box there was some pink hair. Soon I'm gonna give you a look of what it's gonna look like because my hair is not done, as you can see. Well, hello, Kim from the future here. This is just to show you what it looks like with the pink hair. The most important thing that was in the box was this very special book, the Animator Survival Kit. This book, if you haven't heard of it before, it's a guide for anybody who wants to do animation in life, whether it's 2D or, well, it could be useful for 3D, but I think it's mostly 2D, but you get the point. You have a few like keynotes and principles that you can take note of so that your animation can be fluid and interesting and vibrant. Like, for example, this is actually really, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you have a sequence and it shows you how it started, like with the images and the wheel. Ooh. Sorry. Oh, this is nice. Look, I'm sorry. I'm done. I'm gonna go through it and show you guys in the future videos a few things I've learned and how it translates in my future animations. If you want to see, I've done like one try. I don't know if I can show you a clip of it, but it's gonna be there probably. But yes, this is what I wanted to show you guys and show you where my channel is going for the moment. Animation. Hope you're gonna stick around, and this is it for now. Subscribe if you want to learn more and like, and see you in the next one. Bye.